Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the Easy Unreal. Today I'm showing you the 120 free animations that you can download and use for your games. They are absolutely free, public domain, and you can use them for all your commercial projects. You don't need to credit the author, you don't need to have pay anything. These animations are just great. As you can see, I pop out a few animations so you can see how they look. I'll show you quickly how to download them and how to retarget to the Unreal Engine 5 skeleton. Let's start. The first step to getting these animations is to go to this website over here. I will leave the link in the description so you can just click it up. On the right side over here, click download and click over here, download here. Over here you can leave a tip or click here, no thanks, just take me to the downloads. And you can see that I downloaded it on my desktop and open the folder, and you can see this Godot Unity Unreal Engine, so we'll use for Unreal Engine. And we will just drag and drop it to our content folder. You can make a new folder if you want, for example animations, and drag it inside. Just drag and drop. And over here, make sure that this skeleton is none. Go a little bit down and make sure that import animations is true, that is selected, and click import. Now we just want to retarget our animation to the Unreal Engine 5 skeleton. So right click over here on any animation, retarget animations, select all animations with Ctrl A if you want to import them all. And over here we will choose Queen. After that, click this export animations. And over here we'll choose where to export our animations. So let's say content, create a new folder, for example my animations, select it and click export. Click export, wait for a few moments, and under my animations you can see now that these animations are retargeted to our skeleton. So we can use any animation you want, just drag and drop it here. And if you go here and click simulate, you can see the animations. You can drag and drop any animation you want and preview it very easily. Click simulate and you can see it here. And this is it. I hope these assets will be helpful to you because they are super awesome. You can use these animations in all your projects. We don't need to credit the author. We can use it as we want. Super awesome. Definitely an asset worth downloading. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Drop some likes and subscribe for more content like this if you like it. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.